Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like, share and comment the video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing photo editing on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a photo, remove the background color, adjust the photo, select another photo, select the erase color to back color white, duplicate the photo, change the background color, duplicate the sticker, please like the video and subscribe the channel.